Hey guys, it's late and I have a lot of voiceover to do and I have a big day tomorrow and I can't be leaving any of this stuff in my queue. I can't actually show you my queue on Fiverr because that's against TOS, but I'm gonna try and hop in, get like 10 voiceovers done, and I'll check back in with you, shall I? Okay. So it's actually 10:06. It took me a couple minutes to set up the lights and stuff. I'm probably going to do a time lapse and then I'll check back in with you afterwards and we'll see how we did. How many voiceovers I was able to complete in an hour, how much income. Timer on the clock, 10:06. Let's go. Okay, all right. So that was a little while, 10:55. So that was just under an hour, 50 minutes-ish, like 49 minutes. So now I've got 10 minutes to edit 7 voiceovers. Can that happen? Probably not, but I'll give it a try. And time. Okay, so exactly 1 hour basically. I was 2 minutes off, so I ended up being 58 minutes or something like that. I recorded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I recorded and edited 7 voiceovers. I took a quick look. It looks like it's going to be like $210 total. Sometimes there's one voiceover that's worth more than that, but in this case, these were all little ones, so I was able to just like smack them all out pretty quickly. I'm going to go ahead and upload these and send them to the clients now. This is a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed the process with me. Thanks for coming along with me on this one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.